Well, Dave can Siúlóid. The my Siúlóid deas a child is a Gailín Berg agus sunny. I'm on a short little walk here. It's sunny and the Gailín Berg, the small girl. That's a log of it, and it's a lovely day. This is our scamalach after Shamedov. It's cloudy but mild. I guess this is our chedum freshen. It's in a private and it's dry, so that's the main thing. But it's a chedum. As Nietzsche agreed for, and it's not too windy, it's not windy at all. Níl po goyan. Níl po goyan. That's how you say there's not the slightest of wind. Níl po goyan. That's níl. It's sivelum, I really love it when it's like this. Just cune. Lovely and quiet. Diolch ma hain, Gailín Berg, sunny. Agus na bay. There's better a couple of islands. And maybe a few seagulls making noise. Akin dochar. Thorough nádarach. Natural noise, marriage. It doesn't care. It doesn't full on. That's good. That's healthy. Nádarach. Ach, in Charlie, le ngarava kaiki sinnis. For almost 2 weeks. In ngarava. Almost, nearly, or almost. In ngarava kaikish. For almost a week. My solar is what we use here, and in a seir for looking. Instead of saying cuarta or lurg, we say solar. My solar magali na mach, we're looking for the bee orchid. As near ein ekel ed, near ein ekel ed, there is no sign of it inside in the seir. When I can one. I saw one. I saw one over a week ago, and we saw jumuch. We saw Berg agus Crinley. Crinley is withered. So small and kind of shriveled and withered, kind of very disappointing. And jumuch is disappointing. And jumuch. Ach, vi man island, but I was in Galway yesterday. As my van Rebecca, my wife Rebecca, she saw the car park, car close. And nach na cara, nach na Croc na Carach. We saw, or she saw a bee orchid, so car close, in the car park. Agus, sort Marjara, 1 in a million chance, Darla Sashin, it's a 1 in a million chance. An. Very rare. It's rare to see the bee orchid anyway. Carlos in Isle, Croc na Carach, in an urban setting. It's in a can of putty motor, I mean, glor paused, glor blonde, you know, one of those giant pots of flowers and things, like very large. Pots, they were scattered all over the car park, so there's one of them randomly. I guess we said in which and when my van go home, I've been to Commertus, we have a competition between the two of us who can spot the first bee orchid of the year. I guess neither of us scattered on here and in the seir. We were told where it was. We said. Didn't try and car on the orchid child in the same, but that doesn't really count because we were told exactly where to go to find it. One my van Rebecca, it is so 3 in a row. 3 in a row, yes, so it's 3 in a row. 3 years in a row, victory for my wife. Annoyingly. Piece of spray. Yeah, no, piece of spray. Shan't try go wash. It was such a great thing to see a bee orchid, proper bee orchid, not shrunken and shriveled, that near cleanly agus belpige agus pitiful looking. So it's really, so hopefully now, I need somebody who going if and most people wouldn't know what a bee orchid is. Ni was could just move down a kid a bee orchid, Magarlín the mach. Ni was kid a hain. They wouldn't know what it is. So just as well because it's rare. So you have to get an amadan a kitchen fika a vanch. you wouldn't want some idiot to pick it up and destroy it, kind of, oh, isn't that lovely, tiny machine, fine machine, you know, and destroy it. It's rare. I'm sure it's fine, Ben off us, that's in the Joe. It mightn't grow in that pot ever again. Neil Sam bed the hossach. Mightn't. When he wasn't ideas in Australia, it never grows in the same place. Never. When I'm in the Siúlóid, I hear in the Siúlóid anyway, I've looked so many places that I spotted it in the last 4 or 5 years. And in the Austin Studios in Australia, it never grows in the exact same place. Ever. Ever. Masha Hilla Hands, not Voss says about this in the Joe. So it mightn't grow in that pot ever again. Masha. And say toss he or she that knows of the bee orchid. Chicka shiad, they'll understand. Chicka shiad. On luach agus on the value and cultural value or ecological, environmental value. Listen, some magli the ma. Oh, that didn't get to chat career, that didn't get start cancelach. Someone here is a bit cranky, giving out. To my couple, we sang out of an breakfast. I said, breakfast to go guide in Kylie book, so it'll be breakfast time soon for the small little girl. I'm sure I'm casted, so I'll have to turn back soon. Ni ma go levad. Níl me a gol vad. Níl me a gol levad. I'm not going long. Siúlóid Gairich. Into here and in the smell and the chintzy over there and in the smell and it's been sort moor. Is that a moor? Moor is shower, Remufadar, moor. So that's what we say here on the islands of Connemara, moor. So granted will moor near, it looks like there's a shower coming over. We're shabby on Cassadesh, Sha, moor, my Kylie. So I don't want to be caught in it. You make your vlogbot, I don't want to be drenched some moor in the shower. Shadi someone is Island is Sinjira Cert Rodvian Simul. That's just something very interesting in my adventure in Galway, sojourn to Galway in my island eggs Arunez in Galway yesterday and the day before. Just for 2 days. Jeff Lachala. Marjas Magoni to Saga Jassel Gailach Chinese to see the while. As I always say, it's nice to go to Galway, but it's nice to come back home. Jassel Gaile. I need to see the while. Tom, I think it's out on the Seveness. I think that's our Turkey. In the Turkey, there's a kind of a bit of a rainbow, and somewhere in camera on it because I'm not sure the camera's able to pick it up. I think there's a rabbit there as well. Just went into one of the Powell that's in. There's a hole there. And with a camera on it, I'm sure if the camera's able to see it. That's show kunini in the Siúl. Show. So show is an in the Siúl word for meaning a lot of or loads. So the show kunini in the Siúl. There's lots or loads or lots and loads of rabbits. Kunini. Kunin is one rabbit and kunini rabbits. There's a lot of rabbits, lots of kunini on in the Siúl. So I came in this better Gassama Chimple. I might do a U-turn here. I'll turn around. Gassama Chimple. That's a carcut. Carcut is a hill. A word we use on the Iron Islands. Fuckleson with your Ilanaren. Carcut. Road hill, I suppose, is the rough translation. Carcut. I think carcut at your home. That's carcut at your home. That's my chimpleness. I guess, saying so much about na Lunny hostel. Na Lunny. Lunna is wave. That's a word we use in the Siúl. Lunna. And then Lunny for plural, waves. So Níl Sam, I don't know, Níl Sam, and will ship if ye are able to, and I'm able to, na Lunny a hostel. Able to hear the Lunny, the waves. As in the Dourlin, sin on Dourlin, Duirling, Dourling, Dourling is rocky beach. agus tá sé sin go nádorcha sin, that's naturally there, dúrlin. Cosnainte sin an bór on na fargaí móra. That protects cosnaín protects cosnaín on dúrlin. The dúrlin protects on bór here on the fargaí móra, protects the road from the big heavy seas sin ivre in winter time. Ní é fargaí móra an no. There's no big seas today, there's no big seas today. My go a while in this, I guess come a breakfast the host in Kylienberg. Anyway, I'm off home now, and I have to give the little girl a bit of breakfast. That's it, so we'll leave it there. Slán go fóill.